This National Realty Company property video is presented by Jeff Smith. Great country living. Come see this lovely home. The home features 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. The home has an open floor plan with a kitchen opening to the living room and dining room combo, as well as the family room that features a fireplace. The home sits on approximately 3 acres and has a barn with a loft. Call for a private viewing, it will not last long. For more information, review the details below or contact Jeff Smith at 229-273-4132.